Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna attempt another ramen recipe. With this recipe, basically I'm just trying to be as creative as I can and just add in all the ingredients that I think would make a great bowl of ramen. So I really hope you try it out and I hope you like this video. Let's get started. A good pot of broth starts with a good amount of bones. So here I'm using pork bones and a whole chicken frame. To that, add in 2 slices of ginger. Add in water and bring that up to a boil. Once it's boiling, add in salt and soy sauce. Then cover and let that simmer on low for at least 3 hours, preferably 5 to 6 hours. Make sure you check the water level and make sure it doesn't reduce too much, otherwise you'll have nothing left at the end. Meanwhile, let's make the egg. So bring a pot of water to a boil. Add in the eggs at room temperature and turn off the heat. Leave it for precisely 7 minutes. Then remove the egg and soak them in cold water. Alright, now in the bag, add in bone broth, soy sauce, and water. Add in the eggs. Seal the bag and leave it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to let the flavors absorb into the egg. Now let's go over to the chicken. Prepare the marinade with Dijon mustard, salt, pepper and olive oil. Mix it thoroughly and apply onto the chicken thighs. Leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now let's make the base of the ramen. Today I'll be making a salt base, so have some olive oil in the pan and to that add in some chicken skin. Now what I'm doing here is trying to get the chicken oil out from the skin. Once that's done, add in the salt. Give it a good mix and add in some egg marinate, cause it already has some flavor and color to it, so why not? Dissolve the salt in the mixture and set aside. Now over to the eggplant. Slice the eggplant into 4 slices. Then score one side of the eggplant like so. In a bowl, mix in soy sauce and I'm adding in Japanese togarashi, or you can use chili flakes too. If you don't like spicy, then feel free to leave this out. Generously apply the mixture onto the eggplant. Now let's fry them. In the pan, add in some oil and lightly fry both sides of the eggplant until brown and caramelized. Now back to the chicken. Coat the chicken in flour, egg wash and breadcrumbs. Then in the pan, fry the chicken until cooked and golden brown. Alright, now let's assemble. So in a bowl, add in matcha powder. Alright, I know this may sound weird, but I certainly did not regret this. Add in some broth and mix the matcha powder well to ensure that there are no lumps. Then add in 2 tablespoons of our salt base that we made earlier. And then fill up the bowl with broth. Cook the ramen. Here I'm just using store-bought ramen noodles. Mix the noodle in with the broth, then add the toppings and make it look pretty. Thanks for watching, I really hope you try it out. This dish may look difficult to make, but if you ever attempt it, let me know down in the comment box below. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time.